You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Finland is once again the world's most attractive mining jurisdiction, topping the Fraser Institute's latest global survey. The annual report ranked 82 regions based on geology and government policy, drawing input from around 350 mining professionals. Canada lost ground, with only Saskatchewan and Newfoundland and Labrador making the top 10. Down from 4 provinces last year. The decline is linked to policy uncertainty, including land disputes and changing environmental rules. Nevada, Alaska, Wyoming, and Arizona rounded out the top 5, while Ethiopia and Bolivia ranked among the least attractive. Gold is flirting with a nearly 3-week low as easing US-EU trade tensions lifted risk appetite and softened safe haven demand. Spot gold was trading around $3,311 per ounce on Tuesday morning. A slightly weaker dollar provided some support, making bullion more affordable for overseas buyers. Markets now turn to the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting in the U.S., which is expected to keep rates unchanged in the 4.25% to 4.5% range, but dovish signals could boost gold ahead. Copper prices fell sharply on Monday, reversing early gains as markets brace for a U.S. tariff set to take effect on August the 1st. COMEX futures dropped nearly 3% to $5.61 a pound, while London prices slipped more than 1%. Key details of the expected 50% tariff remain unclear. A wave of shipments into the U.S. has inflated prices, but markets haven't fully priced in the looming duties. Lithium prices in China have surged as investors reacted to possible supply cuts. Futures hit their daily limit before pulling back on trading curbs. The rally followed government audits in key producing regions like Zhejiang, where miners are under scrutiny for regulatory breaches. Exchange-traded lithium futures later fell after curbs on speculative trading. Major producers like Tianqi and Xinjiang Lithium are up 25% this month. Analysts warn global supply could tighten if crackdowns expand. Peru is likely to give the green light to over 130 new mining projects worth $6 billion. Well, that's the word from President Dina Boluarte to Congress on Independence Day. The move comes as her government battles record low approval ratings and ongoing unrest, including protests by informal miners. Talks are underway to draft new laws and formalize small-scale operations. Boluarte also announced a new oil deal with Ecuador and a proposed fund to support legal miners. Despite signs of economic recovery, nearly 30% of Peruvians still live in poverty. And that's where we leave your news headlines for now.